She used various methods to get pregnant, but not to have a child. Instead, she would forcibly terminate the pregnancy once the fetus was fully formed to expel it, then extract the serum from the embryo. She believed fetal serum could bring the dead back to life. Previously, she had used fetal serum to successfully resurrect a dead pet pig. Now, the pet pig stayed by her side in perfect health. However, Marlene, an anatomist, was not satisfied with animal experiments. To advance her resurrection research, she planned to conduct such experiments on human corpses. One day, the hospital received the body of a little girl who had died just 2 hours earlier. As Marlene looked at the girl's medical records, she discovered that the girl's blood type and genetic makeup were exactly the same as her own. This meant the girl could be her experimental subject. So, Marlene used her position to transport the little girl's body to her home for the experiment. The next day, Lisa, the girl's mother, wanted to see her daughter's body, but Marlene made up various excuses to stop her. Watching Marlene rush away in her car after work, Lisa followed her back to her house. When she burst into the room, she found Marlene conducting an experiment on her dead daughter. She furiously confronted Marlene, who claimed she was saving the girl's life. Lisa couldn't believe what she was seeing, but she reached out and touched the sole of her daughter's foot, and the girl's foot reacted. Marlene then told her the truth. She had been secretly researching how to bring the dead back to life. The serum from embryos could trigger cell regeneration, so Marlene believed it could also resurrect humans after death. Realizing there was hope to bring her daughter back, Lisa moved into Marlene's house to take care of the girl more easily. She injected the serum into her daughter on a regular basis and kept detailed records of the girl's various bodily indicators. 5 days later, the girl's vital signs returned to normal. Marlene removed the breathing tube, and the girl slowly began to breathe again. Both of them were overjoyed at the sight, thinking their research had succeeded. However, Marlene soon developed physical abnormalities. At work, she found herself bleeding heavily from her lower body and then fainted. When she regained consciousness, she was lying in a hospital ward. After an examination, the doctor told her that her uterus was severely infected by bacteria and had to be removed. She would no longer be able to get pregnant, which meant she could no longer provide the necessary serum for the girl.